Auzu billahi minesh-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, today I have chosen the chapter from 7th Standard Science, and the name of the chapter is Transportation in Animals and Plants. Dear students, we have learned earlier that all organisms need food, water, and oxygen for survival. They need to transport all these to various parts of their body. Further, animals need to transport wastes to parts from where they can be removed. Have you ever wondered how all this is achieved? Do we see the heart and the blood vessels? They function to transport substances and together form the circulatory system. Now, we'll be discussing circulatory system. We have in circulatory system we have blood. Dear students, what happens when you get a cut on your body? Obviously, blood flows out. But what is blood? Blood is the fluid which flows in blood vessels. It transports substances like digested food from the small intestine to the other parts of the body. It carries oxygen from the lungs to the cells of the body. It also transports waste from or removal from the body. How does the blood carry various substances? It's a question now as how does the blood carries various substances? As we know, blood is composed of a fluid called plasma in which different types of cells are suspended. One type of cells are the red blood cells, what we call as RBCs, which contain a red pigment called hemoglobin. Dear students, you might be knowing that red blood cells do not have a nucleus except chameleon RBC. Hemoglobin binds with oxygen and transports it all the parts of the body and ultimately to all the cells. It will be difficult to provide energy, oxygen efficiency to all the cells of the body without hemoglobin. The presence of hemoglobin makes blood appear red. The blood also has white blood cells, WBCs, which fight against germs that may enter our body. Now, dear students, we have one more type of cells in our blood that are blood platelets. If in any case we have a cut or injury, a sort of plug is formed at the site of injury, and that is due to the presence of a special cells that's called blood platelets. Now, in circulatory system we have blood vessels as well. Dear students, there are different types of blood vessels in the body. We know that during inhalation a fresh supply of oxygen fills the lungs. Oxygen has to be transported to the rest of the body. Also, the blood picks up the waste materials, including carbon dioxide from the cells. The blood has to go back to the heart for transport to the lungs for removal of carbon dioxide, as we have learnt in other classes. So, two types of blood vessels are there. Those are arteries and Veins. Arteries, these are the blood vessels. They carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart in all parts of the body. Since the blood flow in rapid and at a high pressure, the arteries have thick elastic walls. Dear students, let me add to your knowledge that arteries carry oxygenated blood except one artery, that is pulmonary artery, and that pulmonary artery that rises from heart towards lungs. Meanwhile, as same is the case, veins they carry deoxygenated blood except one vein, that is pulmonary vein, which carries oxygenated blood to from lungs to heart. Dear students, that's all for now. Inshallah, in the next chapter, we'll be proceeding ahead and we'll continue from here afterwards, here onwards. Till then, Khuda Hafiz, stay blessed.